everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's it going? Happy Friday. And yeah, that was so anticlimactic. Today's video is going to be all about how to look good without makeup. I totally had a brain fart. I was like, what did I film just about an hour ago? Had my coffee today. Yes, I did. I'm gonna show you guys my tips and tricks on how to look fresh, renewed, rejuvenated, skin glowing without an ounce of makeup. I have some new things in here in terms of skincare that I've been really focusing on because, as you guys know, I love nice skin and minimal makeup, but this video is going to be all about just great looking skin from start to finish. So if you guys want to see how I look good without makeup or how I try to look good without makeup, keep watching this video. And if you guys want to see more videos like this one, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also comment below and let me know what other types of skincare videos you guys want me to make, because I know a lot of you comment below and say more skincare, but what exactly in skincare do you guys want to see? Just let me know. All right, are you guys ready? Let's get started. To start with glowing skin, Mama Chu always taught me to place a hot towel over the face to refresh and wipe clean. Now I'm going to use my SkinCeuticals Gentle Cleanser. You guys know how much I love foam cleansers, but sometimes that leaves my skin a bit dry. Every so often I change up my cleanser to rebalance the oils, and this mild cream cleanser is perfect for that. Taking that warm towel, I'm going to wash and pat dry. To exfoliate, I'll be using the Pixi Skin Treats Peel and Polish. Exfoliation is key if you want the rest of your skincare products to work at their best. I like to keep exfoliation to 1 to 2 times a week. I'm going to scrub for about 1 minute and then rinse and wipe clean with a warm towel. Now it's time for a mask. When I know I'm going barefaced, a hydrating mask keeps moisture in for thirsty skin. Using my handy face mask brush, I'm going to apply this gel cream mask on for about 10 minutes and then I'll remove it. As soon as I put this on, I can feel the cool hydrating effects already. I just love applying the mask with the brush. Anyone else love doing this part too? Now it's time to remove. Here's a great trick for removing masks. Here I'll be using the Origins Mega Mushroom Soothing Treatment Lotion on 2 cotton pads, and I'm going to gently remove the mask with this. Doing this adds an extra step in hydration, especially if you have dry skin like I do, and it also gives my skin that instant radiance. Moving along, I'll be applying the Ordinary Buffet Peptide Serum. It's a water-based serum with anti-aging properties, probiotics, and amino acids. I'm going to let this completely dry before going on to the next step. Whenever I go barefaced without any makeup, I love applying a cream that's super moisturizing. The Dr. Andrew Weil for Origins Mega Mushroom Skin Relief is my go-to cream for this. I actually take this with me traveling all the time because it gives so much hydration to the skin. The next tip is great for those of you who have dark circles. You don't need makeup for them. I love applying the Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream under the eyes to instantly give my eye area a lift. How does it work? Its pale yellow tint is designed to instantly brighten and color correct. Very cool! So recently I got a Yumi Eyelash Lift and Tint, which by the way I love so much. To help keep my brows and lashes healthy, I've been applying the Yumi Lash Serum to help with this. Tip: if you don't have lash serum, make your own by mixing a teaspoon of castor oil and half a teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix and apply with a clean spoolie. Every year I use the Crest 3D White Strips to keep my smile nice and bright. Once a year is enough for me and helps whiten my teeth perfectly. Each package comes with 2 strips, one for the top and one for the bottom. Tip: if you are planning on using the white strips, do not brush your teeth beforehand. I usually leave them on for 20 minutes and then I'll remove. The last tip is for those of you who are au natural buffs. I always notice my lips would get stained from eating raspberries, so this gave me an idea. Mash up a raspberry and use it as a light lip stain. Au natural, no makeup, skin is looking and feeling amazing, and now we're done. Try and go a few days without any makeup on. Your skin will adjust to the newness of not wearing any makeup, and your skin will start to just renew itself. You guys don't know this, but on regular days when I'm not filming, I don't wear any makeup. I try not to because I like my skin to breathe, and it's probably helps my skin stay clear. Moral of the story, you do not need makeup to look good. Just be you, be unique, be happy with your skin, yourself, and be confident in that. I love you guys. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and I'll see you all very soon in my next one. Bye!